Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Scam Day 7. And today, we're back in the Cringe Corporation. We are chilling at the museum. Can someone please come and help me? I'm scared for my life. I think I'm gonna die. Wow. I need to wait 162 seconds. That is gay. So guys, we're gonna be chatting here for 162 seconds. So I'm joking. You guys would hate that because it would be me talking. Kill 10 players by punching them. Kill 10 players. Okay, I need to kill 10 players by punching them. And then I go here. Okay, I ran out of money. I'm out of money now. Wow. It might look cool. It's named Frost, so it has to look cool. Can I place it yet? We have 103 seconds left. So, me and this dude are just gonna be chilling here. Well, let me be polite and say hi to him. Let me lay down. Oh my god, why am I moving so fast? What is this roof made out of, butter? We have 65 seconds left. No. The police can't come and arrest us. That's one thing that can't happen. Because then that would be bad. We don't want that to happen. What is this roof made out of, for God's sake? It's made out of butter. I'm just sliding across it. Come on, my audience doesn't want to wait. Come on, my audience doesn't want to wait this long. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bullet! I'm the puzzle master. Got it, guys. I got the mummy. Okay, I got the mummy. Now what do we do? I gotta wait for them to pull the lever. Oh my god, he's figuring out that puzzle. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm just gonna fully wing it. Pull the lever. Oh, go. Where's my car? There's my car. Run. I'm out of here.